go 3-1 because it's not the exact pitch you're looking for.
That's a good point.
Payoff pitch coming to Headley, reaches down and puts one into left center field for a base hit. Both runs will score. This ball game is tied. Chase Headley. Big time at bat from the Padres third baseman.
Take a pitcher's pitch and you can benefit from getting that next one, and that's exactly what happens to Chase Headley. This ball is down, it's another slider, he gets another look at it and puts a perfect swing on a pitch for 2 huge RBIs for the Padres. Watch this reaction. Yes, they understand.